Namaste, Ajay here from the News. How are you all? Okay, I'll speak in English again because this is about IT, IT rules which Indian government has made. I'm completely with Indian government, and Indian government is absolutely correct in pointing out all the online platforms to obey government's rules. And rules are, they have to keep a monitor, Indian monitor in India, who would keep a tab on all these things and on online platforms and give a report, monthly report to the government, wherein government could get to know, who's right, who's wrong, who's committing what crimes and what not. These things are necessary because I've seen myself, as I was telling you about one application, Hakuna, which I've been telling you since quite some time, and I wanted to get close actually. And I've requested it from PMO also and HMO also. I've done to all of them to close that application, like close TikTok and all, because people from Pakistan interact with Indians over there, from Bangladesh also and Saudi Arabia also, and they're all sort of, most of them are criminals, and very criminal, so many criminal activities take place over there. And people, come over there even who are bullying me and following me and stalking me and harassing me because I, always stand for truth, always stand for the right. When I stood for Shant Singh Rajput, also lost many people from Mumbai have come up on that very platform Hakuna, and they're just like abusing me, manipulating against me, taking away every friend of mine, girlfriends of mine, because they are there for that very purpose. Maharashtra government would have sent them on on that Hakuna application also. That's quite sure because I've been pointing out about Hakuna on Instagram also, on my Instagram also, here also, YouTube and all other places also. So and people, those very criminals who are a part of socio-political, diplomatic, bureaucratic, criminal organized mafia, follow you everywhere online, and they just completely say, right in front of you, okay, oh, we are here and we search online on Google and other platforms how to kill someone, like this or like that and all the stuff. I say, what? Are you serious? But you search for means like you search for these things on internet and go scot free. Government doesn't take notice because government doesn't know about it. So how can government do something about it when they are not even aware, and when they are not in tandem or collaboration with these online platforms? So online platforms definitely need to follow our Indian rules. If they don't follow it, how Indian government will be able to control these crimes? And then we blame our government. Okay, oh, like because government didn't do anything and they were abusing me online, all this stuff, and this thing happened. So why that power was not given to the government, so that government have can collaborate with them and get to know? Like for instance, like just Dawood Ibrahim has written me yesterday. I just made a video a few days back, about Dawood, that Dawood is dead, which I heard from a guy on Hakuna who told that he is related to Dawood Ibrahim somehow. So he said, "To beta मैं कौन हूँ?" So like, son, who the hell am I? So he wrote that, Dawood Ibrahim. You can check my video, where Dawood is dead video, and you'll get to see his comment over there. I'm definitely going to forward it to PMO, HMO, and police and law and etc. law authorities and all, because it would come in handy for them. But see, like, what's happening? Because even Dawood Ibrahim can, dare to come over there and comment me, despite knowing that how dangerous I could be for him. I could be even more dangerous than him for the world. So like, and I won't be dangerous for the world. I would be dangerous for him for sure. The thing is, like, you're getting my point, because I'm always against criminals. So these people, and that's how they ban. So you can understand, and even like, even those, small people, like I told you, these guys come, then research on internet, on Google, etc., how to kill someone. Is that information necessary to be available for the entire world on Google and other platforms? No, not at all. These criminals who don't even know how to kill someone are searching for those very things on internet, on Google and other platforms. You tell me yourself, is it like, can it be allowed? No, not at all. I was so, furious on him over there, and I'm telling others also over there also, what the hell is this happening? Who the hell is this person who openly admits that he's a criminal, works for Congress or any other, like these for Congress and those social, political, bureaucratic, diplomatic, criminal organized mafias? Syndicate. My goodness, do you understand that? So how serious it is? And if we don't give that power to the government, and the government which is trying to get the power from those online platforms, then we are in a problem. Because if tomorrow something happens like this, like Dawood doesn't tell me, right, I'll get his IP address, etc. also. From YouTube only, they will have to give the IP address of Dawood Ibrahim to our government. So these rules are really necessary for you, me, and everyone else in our country, India. So I strongly, request, and Google cannot provide those information how to kill someone, which is completely not required. This is against law. You cannot give, someone the authority to kill anyone and tell them also how to kill them. This is a big crime. And Google says is just a search engine. Then Europe says no, it's not a search engine. So I was just checking Palki Upadhyay's video. I do check her videos. She sends it to me, personally also. And like she's on Vion, so she's a very good reporter, and she brings very good news. You must always check Vion News. It's like international news come on it. Actually, it's an Indian channel, but they give international news, so it's completely international. It's even better than Republic. I'm sorry to say that. Please don't mind it, Anabji and Republic, but it's really good. It's great. And Palki Upadhyay is doing a great job over there as a journalist. She brings out so many good topics. I just keep on looking at it. My goodness! And I was about to make a video on it since last 1 or 2 days, but I was forgetting and all the stuff, and was getting a bit lazy maybe, and was keeping myself busy on in some other places. But yeah, as soon as I checked just this morning, video of Palki Upadhyay from Beyond News, the anchor, I just loved it about IT, and I was reminded from her only actually that I have to make this video for you all. So these platforms cannot be allowed, to go scot-free after providing such information. So they will have to definitely curb those information, at least for our country. They have to curb it for the world though. World cannot get to know how to kill someone, or how to destroy someone, or how to do any wrong actually crime against anyone. Like for instance, like lots many people even learn how to make a bomb and other things on these online platforms. So how is it allowed? I'm not sure why these people are allowing it. You cannot allow, the people and this information. So you will have certainly to remove certain information, a lot of information from your online platforms, be it Google, Twitter, or any other platform for that matter. Do you understand my point? It's a very serious issue, and I'm completely with the government on this, on our Indian government. I'm completely with them because they are absolutely correct. Like this, everyone will go scot free, and they have been going scot free. We have always been saying, "Oh, Indian rules are not that stringent, not that stern, though it should be, and people should be caught when they commit crimes and do manipulate and do stalk someone and bully someone and openly give threat to someone or spread rumors about someone or something." And not allowed at all actually. And you guys cannot provide that information, such information, to anyone, how to make a bomb to kill someone, or how to kill someone through other means, through medicines and all. You cannot. Do you understand my point? So this is a very serious issue. Lots many information available online will have to be certainly removed. And I'm really happy that Indian government took that initiative. The entire world's government should take this initiative, and the entire world, such information must not be available, either be Google, Twitter, or whatsoever. After all, you are just business companies, and you cannot provide those information which are illegal in any country. That should be crystal clear to every one of you. Am I clear? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll just keep it short. Maybe like this, it has gone over 8 minutes. This is the video, but this is how strongly I feel about it. So those information can never be available online, which harms our humanity and other human beings. Understand my point? Namaskar. Dhanyawad. Thanks.